Hello friends, welcome back to Storytime with Amilea. Today, I'm going to share a heartwarming story about a father's love. It's not just a story, it's also a way for you to practice English with clean and simple sentences. So, listen carefully, repeat after me if you like, and learn new words while enjoying the story. Are you ready? Let's begin. When I think of my father, I remember the days when he used to send me to school. Back then, I was a timid child. Even if the sky was still dark, I had to go to class. My father would always walk with me to the village entrance. I rode my bicycle in front, and he followed quietly behind me. At the village gate, I would meet my classmates. Day after day, rain or shine, he was there. When I started middle school, the school was far away, and for the first time, I had to leave home. My father rode his bicycle, carrying my heavy bags at the back. We cycled together, passing through the town streets. Years later, he still rode with me. When I went to the bus station, he lifted my suitcase with his strong hands. From behind, I saw his tired shoulders and his hair turning white, like frost settling on a tree. At that moment, I didn't understand. I didn't know that his silent goodbyes were filled with the deepest love. His protection taught me independence. His quiet strength gave me courage to walk alone. The road stretched on for miles, but my father always stood behind me, watching until I disappeared from sight. The bus would take me far away, yet his warm eyes always stayed with me. His strength became my strength. His love became my shield. Even now, when I face life's storms, I still feel that fatherly warmth, like the sunlight at dawn, that never leaves me. Thank you for listening to today's story, my friends. Remember, learning English can be fun when you connect it with real feelings and memories. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. This is Amilea, and you've been watching Storytime with Amilea. See you next time with another beautiful story. Bye-bye.